Okay. So we only have a few questions to go over for the review today. It's something come up, so I'm going to pre-record this, and then if you guys have any that you would like to have me go over again, additionally, just email them to me, and I will either do it on tomorrow or over the weekend. I have no problems working with everybody, even through July, so just let me know if you need anything. So we discussed this problem in the last review, but I just wanted to bring it up again so you guys can review it. Remember, if you see something like this, x plus 4 quantity squared, you actually have to write it out, x plus 4 times x plus 4. It is a multiplication of two binomials. And then, of course, you're going to go through and you can see how easily just one mistake will get you to, possibly a different answer. All right. Same with this one. We discussed it last time. Again, this is a squaring of a binomial, so then it's a multiplication of the same binomial twice. All right. And I think this is just a repeat from before, so yeah, again, another repeat, but again, just kind of showing you how easy it can be to get caught up. So make sure you write everything out. All right, so these are new. This is what was asked for. So here we go. We want to solve for k. When you're dealing with an inequality like this, it's going to be similar to dealing with it like it's a regular equation. Much like in an equation, everything you do to one side, you have to do to the other. So in this case, the only real difference here is that you have three sides. So what you want to do is you want to get the middle to have the k. So you can kind of cheat in a way that if you look at your options here, you see that you have k in the middle. So that should be your first clue that you want to solve for k by itself. So to undo this negative 15, we're going to add 15, but then you go, well, where else do I add it? Well, you have to add it to all three spots. Okay. So here we would get negative 5 plus 15 will give us a positive 10. We're going to bring down that negative 5k. And then 20 plus 15 will give us a positive 35. Here, now we have to divide by negative 5. Again, we're going to divide by negative 5 on all sides. But something you have to realize when you divide by a negative or multiply by a negative and you are dealing with inequalities, you have to flip those inequality signs. So 10 divided by a negative 5 will give us a negative 2. We are going to flip that sign. Negative 5 divided by negative 5 will leave us with just a k. And then 35 divided by negative 5 will leave us with a negative 7. But again, the sign must be flipped. And we'll write it like that so you can see the difference. So this is the actual answer. So you want option 1 here. All right. Okay. This question is saying, match the inequality on the left to the appropriate solution on the right. So again, what you would have to do with these is you would have to go through and solve each one. And then you would find your answers over here. So let's look at this first one. 3x plus 2 greater than 11 minus 2 minus 2, 3x greater than 9, divide by 3, divide by 3, you get x greater than 3. Well, I guess less than, sorry. I am very dyslexic when it comes to being able to read these. So note that the variable is on the left-hand side. When the variable is on the left-hand side, you're allowed to use a little bit of a trick. Oh, sorry guys, that was only one option there. Let me do the other one real quick as well. So 1/2 x minus 2 greater than 2. We're going to add 2 to both sides. 1/2 x greater than 4. Multiply both sides by 2, x greater than 8. So times 2 times 2. So, and again, you don't have to have the x on the left, but if it is on the left, then it helps you out a little bit more. So here you can tell that would be this choice. So this one right here. So 3 is not inclusive because there's no equal to part. So it's an open circle and down, and then 8 open circle, not included, and up. I'm not going to do the other ones because you can kind of see this as part of a test that's on EdReady. But this, it kind of gives you a good idea. You should be able to use these examples here to help you figure out the other ones. If you still need them, let me know and I can work on it for you. But right now, that's going to be where we're going to end. Again, if you have questions that you want me to answer either this weekend or later today or next week, like I said, I do Summer Bridge all summer long, so please reach out to me if you need anything. Okay? All right.